Hi guys, Dave here, and this week we're going to be fixing your slice. Okay, so the first step to fixing your slice is understanding what your club face is doing. Now what I see a lot of is the amateurs, when they take the club back, they like to hinge their wrists really early and take the club back with their arms. What happens is, if you take it back with your hands and your wrists, you'll see my club face now is pointing up, and when I return back down to the ball, the club face will be open. What I want to see more of, and if you watch the professionals, and this is what they're really good at, is they take the club back more with their body, so their right hip and their right shoulder, and you can see my glove badge is sort of facing away from me instead of up to the sky. And that will be a very good checkpoint for you, is if you're taking that club back, if you see your badge of your glove, and that means your club face will be open. I don't want to see the badge of my glove. I want to see my thumb, the golf pride sign, and the club in one line. I don't want you to pick the club this way, because it's going to be very hard for you to square it up, and then you have to throw your hands. And this could cause inconsistency in terms of a two-way miss. So I'm going to hit a few here, we can have a look. But for this week's lesson, we're going to work on rotating with your body on the backswing, making sure that the badge of your glove is not up to the sky, it's away from you, and the club isn't pointing up, it's pointing straight. Let's try that. So as you can see, when I do get that club nice and square on the way back, instead of open, straightens out my ball flight. It doesn't make my ball go left, it's still faded a little bit, but it was much sort of less in terms of that shape. That'll give you a little bit more distance, you'll get a better strike, and you're sure to improve your scores. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.